cutting me losses today. That's the name of the game today. Now, I've been away for a while. As you know, if you watched that carrot challenge yesterday, it was the first time I'd been back. But I've also been away again. So we went to Scotland to a cottage, then we came back for a day, went to the lakes for a day, or sorry, for 2 days. So it's all looking pretty good. I'm actually chuffed to bits with my salad, but then, you know what I mean, salad's a bit like radish, but because I'm cocksure about radish there now, I can grow radish. But I'm going to do a lot of like work there now and getting things stripped out. As you can see, these tomatoes, you know, there's none more there, so I'm going to take them out. These are me grafted ones. I'm taking all that out. I'm probably going to take this Prince Bogies out. Any green ones I'll just take down home and keep. Actually, I can take a few of them. Look at them, they're all ready to rock and roll there now. And I'm taking out the peppers. There's some that are red, but the other ones I actually stripped them down and they've gone, to be honest. There's none left there now. So nice good clear out. I'm keeping the aubergines. A bit of mildew on this, it's still okay there. We'll see how I go with the cucumbers, but I just want to kind of a good gut out of the place and hopefully get some more salad in, get some more planting going on. Yes, anyway, say hello to Days. I actually went up the hut to get the hello Days. Bring her up there now. I wanted to get a little mat. Anyway, how are yous? Yes, I do think I'm with the carrot challenge with Steve. I don't know where that's where the grandmaster came. Bloody carrots are massive. So anyway, what else has been happening? I'm not sure, to be honest. I've got some onion sets have come, the winter ones, you know, like the Japanese ones. So they'll be going. Just give her a little bed if she wants to sit on that. They'll be going in soon. There's actually, I'm quite busy. I'm on the back foot, really. There's lots to do. I'm particularly what I am, mind you. I'm disappointed with these. Not this beetroot. This is the Wudan ones, and they're lovely. Be able to take some home today, anyways. But this, you know, is it Chigua? I don't know, but it's ravaged by snails, and I cannot see anything really. Oh, there is little ditty ones, so I'll get a few of them pulled up today as well. Oh, look at that, there we go. She looks so sorry for herself. I'll take that. I'll take this off, shall I? Because you're a good girl now, aren't you? You're not run away. Stay there. Who's a good girl. So I want me wheelbarrow and secateurs. I should actually put some of this down as well. Nice, good. We'll see. I'm actually all excited. Like I say, when you've been away for a while, it's lovely to come back, and day off before I go back to work, so all's good. Mind, like I say, cutting losses. This weather is really turned there now. It's dark in the mornings. Oh, it's all because I get up early, you see, anyway. So right, best secateurs I've had these, mind you. And I like picking these when they're still a little bit, it's not the excuse just that I'm rushing the job, but I like them when they're a little bit, just so they last a little bit longer in the, because we try not to put them in the fridge. Did anybody see the green fried tomato recipes in the comments? Yes. Still a nice little final crop from them Bellarico. Can't complain with them, mind you. I just love them. I'll be getting them next year as well. Been picking some of the Prince Bogie ones and just trying to clear that out. Look at these like conkers on the floor, the tomatoes that have dropped. Got a whole load in there to go to the compost. But it's just to show you, like under there as well. Just, I don't know if they're volunteers or what, but got to get in there. So that's that little area done. They've gone. Now I just want to concentrate on that bit. Like I say, I'm going to keep these aubergines. I'll thin them out a little bit and possibly get rid, I don't know, we'll see about these cucumbers. But I'm going to pick all these peppers there now and get them out of the way. Some are actually ready to go, the kind of crazy hot ones over there. I'll leave them ones in, which are again crazy hot ones because they're going ripe. And I'll leave the tomatoes in as well because, well, actually that one's nearly finished. It's caught right up, you know what I mean? So oh no, no, I'm not that steady. Don't go too far. These cucumbers haven't been pruned in a long while, so I'm going to take these right back. We can do it, we can do it. When we in the deciding games and we don't pull them both ways. Couple of reasons. I'm going to take this tomato out because it's dead and there's no more kind of ripe tomatoes on there, so, or there's no more green ones. Morning. Yeah, oh, big job today. A little 5-minute breather there. So I've gotten them out. I've got, actually it's doing really well. This, you know, this is that cherry bomb pepper, like hot pepper. So I'm going to just leave that in and pick them off. So I'm pleased with that, to be honest, for my first time with that one. These are the silly pepper ones. I'm going to take this tomato out. Again, this was 18th, 19th of April, but they're nearly all done. Do you know what I mean? So that was certainly worth planting, like a late plant. Right, I've decided, I've pulled them 2 tomatoes out. I've cut that back. So I'm going to keep 2 cucumbers, but I'm going to pull these chilies because I'm going to keep them. I'm going to take them home and just hang them in the hut, to be honest. And hopefully they'll go. I mean, that one over there is hot. Sorry, red. And I'm just doing any more damp, you know, like I just want to make sure I've got what I've got, to be honest. Like you say, cut me losses. So yes, I'm gonna, there's loads on there, mind you. They're really good. Cherry bomb they were. Now gonna thin these out. Gonna still keep these going because we're, like I say, these are the grafted ones and we're just getting fruit after fruit after fruit from these. I don't know how long they'll actually keep going, you know what I mean? Once your fruit's on, it's pretty quick to get it ripe. So I'm just going to keep them. Just look at this, man. These are the, you do this job, don't you? You know what I mean? The end of the kind of tomatoes. I'm just doing it in stages so I haven't got the whole lot one day. So I've cleared it out, I've thinned them a little bit. I'll take all this gunky stuff away there now and I'll give it a little bit weed. Then I'm going to give it a nice dressing on this side, put some compost down and hopefully get a few plants in. It's getting there. Can you see? Putting some compost there. It's quite thick I'm putting it on because I've got quite a bit of it. I've got to shove some right at the back because I want to use the very back of the polytunnel is where I'm going to plant my garlic this year. I'm thinking anyways. I've been thinning out not thinning out the carrots, just taking out the weeds there. So I need a little bit of compost in between that. Got to be very careful. And then a whole load over there. And then we can start getting some stuff in. I've got to be very careful here because I'm going to put the compost at the back. I'm going to wash my carrots. Oh, where's my shovel? Normally I wouldn't, you see is there. Normally I never do anything like this, kind of feed this soil because I just use the pots and the goodness around it. But this time we're going for like a winter, trying to get through just some veg for winter. So I might as well at least give it a little bit of a tickle.
We will do it.
This is the 5th wheelbarrow just on that section. Oh, but it's the last one. You're up there. There's like a lovely, rich, earthy smell.
We can do it. We can do it.
I'll show you. So there you go. All that, even put some underneath. I've got loads of it, do you know what I mean? So I've hand sprinkled it through my carrots there. I should have done, you know, if I was a bit hasty, but we had the competition on and I wanted to get the lettuce in, I should have done on that side as well. But they don't look, even me, to be honest, I'm quite surprised with me. Chinese cabbage is still with the grit compost. So what I'm going to do now is just get in some more of my plants. Just give them all a little bit of a water. Just give them a little head start. Like I say, I want to keep, can you see this? Oh yeah! We went to the Lake District for our part 2 of our little holiday because we weren't going abroad, and we climbed up the only fell, or the highest fell that a mountain stroller, you know, like an off-road buggy, pushing a little buggy, like a kid up a little baby up a anyone pushing a buggy up that hill. I think it was called Dodd Wood in the Lake District, and man, sweating like a trooper. Get these little darlings out. Come on, come on, there we go. There we go, come to daddy.
You feel misunderstood. Say what's
These are Mizuna. Is that how you pronounce it?
blinded if we could, but that's not the case. Oh, the wind will turn. Don't be concerned.
Right, I'm getting a bit up there now. So that's me mustard. I've got a bit of rocket in there as well, but that's all the mustard plants that I've done. I've still got some salads to go in, but I'll wait, to be honest. I'll give them a little, oh, now I've just got to tidy up a little bit. I've even snuck some through there. I'll hold the camera straight, will that help? See the magic words of the carrots. Praise to the garden gods to make it always cloudy and miserable over in Cumbria. I do that prayer every day. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a rinse down. It's messy, 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 messy. Right then, I've given it a little bit tidy up there. I'm warped. I'm hungry. Big lad's hungry. So see you next time. Take good care. Look after yourselves.